Welcome to the week ahead. Headlines. Sri Lanka awaits third tranche from IMF. Prime Minister off to China. Sri Lanka likely to maintain rates. Thai Airways to recommence flights. Sri Lanka awaits the third tranche of the $337 million from the IMF following the successful completion of the second review under the IMF program. The team assessed the progress of commitments and concluded the 2024 Article 4 consultation discussions. According to Peter Brewer, Senior Mission Chief for Sri Lanka, the staff-level agreement is now subject to approval by the IMF Executive Board in the period ahead. He also added that the negotiations with the official creditors are in their final stages and not necessarily delayed. This week, Sri Lanka's Prime Minister Dinesh Gunawardena will undertake an official tour to China to hold talks with Li Qiang, Premier of the People's Republic of China. During this visit, Sri Lanka and China are to sign a half a dozen memorandums of understanding related to bilateral cooperation. The visit comes during a time when Sri Lanka seeks to ink bilateral trade agreements with China, Malaysia, India and Indonesia. Today, the Monetary Board of the Central Bank will meet to determine policy interest rates. According to analysts, the central bank is likely to keep interest rates unchanged throughout 2024 as inflation stays above the desired target of 5%. In February 2024, Colombo-centric inflation rose to 5.9%, while food prices rose 3.5%. Since June 2023, policy rates have been cut by 650 basis points. This week, Thai Airways will recommence flights to Sri Lanka after a 4-year hiatus due to the COVID pandemic. The Airways will operate daily flights to and from Katunayake Airport. According to Minister Nimal Siripala de Silva, Sri Lanka and Thailand share many similarities in terms of culture, trade and agriculture. He added that the airline provides high-quality services. This development is expected to see a surge in arrivals from Thailand as Sri Lanka aims to welcome 2.3 million tourists this year. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.